Hi children, a very good morning to all. Welcome back to our English class. By yesterday, we finished our poem explanation and we enjoyed our animated video. Today, you're going to learn a new lesson about, it is a very interesting story. Children, tell me one thing, do you like fables? Yeah, what is the meaning of fable? Yes, it is a story. That means the animals are the characters in the story and it gives a moral from the story. Right children? So here is a story about a brave rabbit and a brave fox. So here what is the meaning of brave? Brave is nothing but brother. So this is a story about a brother rabbit and a brother fox. So how the rabbit wisely, how it is so lovable. The rabbit is very likable. That means the story is from American folk tales. So already we discussed that what is the meaning of tale. Tale is nothing but a story. This is a story from the American tales. So folk tales means it is a story related to that particular place or a village. So this is a story about a brave rabbit and a brave fox. So let us open your textbook, page number 63. Lesson name is Old Brave Rabbit. It is Old Brave Rabbit. Already I told you brave means brother. So this is a story about a brave rabbit and a brave fox. Let us see what is there in the lesson. Now open your textbooks, page number 63. Let us start reading. Shall we? Yes. The following story is adapted from an African American folk tale. The word brave is short for brother. Brave Rabbit is a naughty but likable character with a gift for getting out of difficult situations. Read this tale about how he plays a trick on Brave Fox. So, this is a story adapted from African American folk tales. Folk tales are, I told you, is a story related to that particular place or a village. The word brave is short for brother, and this is a story about a naughty brave rabbit but likable character with a gift for getting out of difficult situations. So this rabbit is very smart and it is naughty too. So it is very likable and it is a character. That means it is a character that it can get out of any type of difficult situations very easily. Right children? Now let us go through our lesson. Do you want to listen? What is there in the lesson? Section 1. Brave Rabbit and Brave Fox were like some children I know, said Uncle Remus, looking at the little boy who had come to hear another story. Here, Uncle Remus is telling a story to a little boy. What is the story about? It is a story about Brave Rabbit and Brave Fox. So Uncle Remus is telling a story to the little boy. The story is about a brother rabbit and a brother fox. Both are like same children. That means they both are very good friends, we can say. Yes. Both of them were always after one another. So they both were always each other. They lived together each other. One day, Brave Rabbit and Brave Fox and Brave Coon and Brave Bear and a whole lot of them were clearing up a ground to plant a new crop. So here one day Brave Rabbit and Brave Fox and Brave Coon and Brer Bear, and a whole lot of them were cleaning up a ground to plant a new crop. Here we can imagine that all these animals, they live in a forest, so they were the whole lot working together to clean up a ground. For what they are doing that work? Yes, they are doing the work to plant a new crop. Right? The sun got sort of hot. The rabbit got tired, but he did not give up because he was afraid that the rest of them would call him lazy. Listen here, look at here. How very much interesting point is there in this. Look at here, observe this. The sun got sort of hot. So they started, all these animals, they started cleaning up the ground to plant a new crop. But here what happened? The sun got so hot. So everybody got tired, and here Brer Rabbit also got tired. It felt so hot. That means this rabbit, he can't able to do. But what happened? But he did not give up. He did not give up. He is working. He did not give up because he was afraid that the rest of them would call him lazy. Why did he did not give up? Because all the animals, all the rest of the animals would call him as lazy. So he don't want to be lazy. So he is not giving up. He kept carrying away the rubbish and filling up the bush being cleared. So he is doing his work. He is cleaning all the floor, and he is cleaning the rubbish, and he is clearing the bushes too. Then suddenly he yelled out that he had a thorn in his hand. Oh, they are working to clean up the ground? No. So suddenly the Brer Rabbit heard himself with a thorn. That means thorn. It is the Brer Rabbit hurt his hand. He slipped off to look for a cool place to rest. So then immediately he stopped that, and he is searching to sit near a cool place to take some rest. After a while, he came across a well with 2 buckets hanging in it from a wheel on top. So he is searching to sit near a cool place. So after a while, he came across a well. There, look at the picture here. He saw a well near there, and in that well, he saw 2 buckets hanging in it from a wheel. Look at the picture. You can easily imagine that. Here there are 2 buckets hanging on a wheel of the top. That's look cool, said Brer Rabbit. So after seeing that, it felt cool. I will just get in there and take a quiet nap. With that, he jumped into one of the buckets. So after seeing that buckets, because this Brer Rabbit is so tired, so he is searching to sit in a cool place. So after seeing that well, after watching that, he felt very happy, and he thought of himself that, so this here I can take a quiet nap here. Nap means a short sleep. With that, he jumped into one of the buckets. By thinking of herself, he jumped into the bucket. Look at the picture here. He jumped into the bucket. As soon as he did that, the bucket just went down into the well. So immediately after seeing that buckets, this Brer Rabbit, he jumped into the well. What will happen? Yes. What will happen? Immediately that bucket went down, isn't it or not? Went down into the well. Now turn the page. Let us see what happened. Was not the rabbit scared? Uncle Remus. So here this Uncle Remus is telling the story to a little boy, isn't it or not? So here he is saying, if suddenly it happens like that, will you scare or not? Yeah. So he is saying that was not the rabbit scared or not. He is asking the little boy, honey, there has not been a beast more scared since the world began than Brer Rabbit was then. So this Uncle Remus asked the little boy, and Honey, there has not been a beast more scared since the world began than Brer Rabbit was then. He was so scared he almost got a fever. So after immediately this Brer Rabbit jumped into the bucket and it went down, he felt that Brer Rabbit felt so scared and immediately he just like that he got a fever. Very soon the bucket hit the water. Brer Rabbit kept mighty still because he did not know what was going on. So this Brer Rabbit was very much scared and immediately after jumping into the bucket it went very forcefully into the well. Look at here picture. It went into and the bucket immediately touched the water. It felt very scared and because he did not know what was going on. Can you imagine what anything might be happen? No, isn't it or not? He just lay there shivering with shock. So the bucket went on there and this little Brer Rabbit shivering with shock. Now Brer Fox always had one eye on Brer Rabbit. So all together they are working to clean up the ground, isn't it? So this Brer Fox always had one eye on Brer Rabbit. This fox always had one eye on the Brer Rabbit. That means it is always had to keep an eye on the Brer Rabbit. What this Brer Rabbit is doing and what all the mischiefs he is doing, because this Brer Rabbit is a naughty rabbit. So this fox always had one eye on the Brer Rabbit. He saw him slip away from the new ground. Brer Fox sneaked after him. So it saw that it slipped away from the ground. It slipped away from the ground. That fox, he observed that. He saw that. Fox sneaked after him. Here, what is the meaning of sneaked? Followed secretly. So after this fox observed all these things. So he followed the Brer Rabbit. What he is doing, everything this fox is observing. He knew Brer Rabbit was up to something. So he already had this fox already know about Brer Rabbit and he is thinking that no, was up to something. What is the meaning of that? Was quietly planning something. So this fox thought that about Brer Rabbit. So this rabbit is planning something to do. So he followed him quietly. For that reason, this fox followed the rabbit very quietly. Brer Fox saw Brer Rabbit come to the well and stopped. So it saw. But he did not know where the rabbit went because the rabbit already went down to the well. No, so he had an eye on the rabbit and it thought that he immediately what happened? He followed the rabbit and so up to there, bear come to the well and stopped. This Brer Rabbit came up to the well and it stopped. No, so all this thing. The fox is also observing. Then he saw him jump into the bucket. Then what happened? Immediately this rabbit fell into the, jumped into the bucket. That also this fox had. Next, he saw him go down and out of sight. So this fox knows everything and he saw that this Brer Rabbit fell into the well. Brer Fox was the most astonished fox that you ever laid eyes on. He sat there in the bushes and thought, but he could not make head nor tail of it at all. So this fox was so surprised. And he sat in the bushes and thinking, but he could not make head nor tail of it at all. So he's thinking, that means he can't able to decide what he has to do. Then he said to himself, well, I know what it is. Brer Rabbit keeps his money hidden down in that well. Oh, so here
So this fox, he is thinking that this rabbit went down to find something, and he is thinking why this rabbit went there, he is thinking and finally he came to a conclusion that, well, I know what it is. Brer Rabbit keeps his money hidden down in that well. So this Brer Fox, he is thinking that this Brer Rabbit kept his money in the well. If he has not done that, he was discovered a gold mine, and if it is not that, I am going to find out what it is. So this fox, he is thinking like this also. First he thought that this Brer Rabbit, he hidden his money down in the well. If not, he has discovered a gold mine. This Brer Rabbit discovered a gold mine, and this fox, he is also thinking that if it is that, I should have to go there and I will also find out what is there in that. This fox is thinking like that. So children, is the story interesting or not? Yes. So that's all for today's class. Tomorrow we will see what is there and how this fox assumption is correct or not. We will see tomorrow. That's all for today's class. Bye bye children. Have a nice day.